Winning on forex trading is not always easy. Some people really struggle with this and it takes time for you to get to such levels, but it's really possible. There is a huge possibility without even using any type of indicators. And remember that VIP group is still active and running. I can just show you a few trades that we did today. So let's see. So this is the VIP signal group. We actually win every day. We really do a lot of winnings over here, so everything is good. So easy to enter. All you have to do is just to make a deposit on our FBS account. Use the referral link on the video description, and that is how you can get there and deposit as little as $10. After making your deposit, just send me that screenshot that you've already done it, and I will check on the referrals and you'll be on the Telegram VIP signal group. As easy as that. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is just to make the deposit. What I'm going to show you today is a simple strategy that anyone can use, and everybody can simply use this one. You don't need any indicator. So let's get rid of the indicators on the chart. Starts simply like this. So you're just going to delete them, and we're just going to be using price action. The simple strategy is this. What you have to do firstly is just to recognize a trend. All you have to do is to find a trend. As you can see, what we have on the screen right now is a downtrend over here. So we recognize the trend. After recognizing the trend, I want you to come down here. I'm just zooming in for you, so you understand that the last time price came down was just at this place over here, which is good. But I want you to look at the last key level whereby price was going up, which is just any blue candle before this key level down here. So it should be this candle over here. So once we get that candle, all we have to do is just to mark that candle. So I want us to mark that candle right now, because I want to show you something that is really going to change the scope of everything that you know. So let's just take that rectangle, and I want us to mark this candle over here. So make sure you mark the whole candle, both the top and the bottom, so that we can get a good clearance on what we are doing. So that's good. So now we have marked the candle, so we can just straight it out a bit. That's still okay. So what I want you to mind now is that I want you to wait for price to come and break that last key step. If ever, for instance, if you check out price at this level over here, so I just want to show you well, so you can see the breakout using a bullish candle, of course. And then once we have the breakout, I want you just to wait for a bullish engulfing candle, and you are good to go. So after that, let me just zoom in so that we can see it more clearer. So what we have now are bullish candles, right? But what we are looking for is a bullish engulfing candle, which is this one over here. So I can just circle it in for you so that you can see it well. So we've got a bullish engulfing candle over there. If that one is not enough for you, you can just basically use this one. That's still okay. If you're not sure, you're skeptic, you can still use that one. So basically that's it. And after you see that, you are now sure that price will be changing course, and it will be now having an uptrend like it just did over here. Now it's going up. So either way, either it's an uptrend or a downtrend. If ever you want to find a reversal for a downtrend, you're going to wait for an uptrend. For instance, what we're having here is an uptrend, right? So we can see price has been going up all this way, which is good normally. So now I want us to go up there and zoom in. So after zooming in, I want us to find the last time price went down, which is just at this point. I want to zoom in for you so that you can see it very well. Now I want us to go and mark that place. So let's mark it using our rectangle again. So we're just going to mark the whole of it. Since we were having an uptrend, so we are going to mark the last time price went down. So we have it. So now we have it. So all we have to do is to wait for price just to break that last key level like it did over here. Once again, as you can see, just like it did over here. That is how it does, and that is how basically this one works. So the strategy is really easy. This is Euro USD, the 15-minute time frame. Anybody can do this. Either a scalper or a long-term trader, you can definitely use this one, because once you make that mark, everything is good to go. Guys, I hope I'll be seeing you on the next video. You take care.